Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7A and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's enter the settings because we will customize this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. In the settings we have to enter the display and brightness, and then let's scroll down just a little bit to find eye comfort. So before we will be able to customize it, actually we have to turn it on. So let me pick enable all day, as it is a manual option. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl and if you like to use your device at night, then this eye comfort mode is totally for you. So here we can customize it. We can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it a little bit cooler. We do not have a lot of differences here. And by going to the right, warmer, slightly warmer, I would say. It's up to you which option you'd like to use. What is more, if you don't want to turn it on or off manually, you just want to automize it, you can simply tap on scheduled option and you can freely tap on start and the end time, which simply means that your device will automatically turn on and off this feature in the chosen hours. But let me pick enable all day, and basically this is the whole customization of this eye comfort mode, so it's not really that complicated. And if you want to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to unroll the top bar and unroll it fully in order to find the eye comfort icon, and I've just accidentally turned it off. Here we've got the eye comfort. Of course, right now it is turned on. In order to turn it off, just tap on the icon and the screen will immediately get back to its normal state. And the same situation if you want to turn it on. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your HONOR X7A. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.